Hi, my name is Erin McGennity. I'm a birth doula with Bridge Birth Services, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a stretchy wrap. So this is one of many styles of carriers for baby wearing, which is very popular right now and has a lot of benefits. A lot of people seem to just absolutely swear by this style. Some people just seem to absolutely hate it, and if you're interested in trying it out, it's definitely worth making your own because it's a lot more cost effective. I spent about $15 at the fabric store instead of a $50 wrap. So let's get started. This style is basically just 6 yards of fabric of a jersey knit or a cotton knit fabric. So there's 2 ways to go about this. You could buy 6 yards of fabric, cut them in half, give half to a friend and save half for yourself, and you've got 2 stretchy wraps. I didn't really want to buy double the amount that I needed, so I just bought 3 yards, and we're gonna cut it in half and sew it back together. Okay, the folded edge is lined up with the edge of the yoga mat, and then I'm just gonna cut straight along this line, and I'll have a nice straight line from just having my shears right up against the mat. Okay, now that the 2 halves are the same size, I'm just going to cut along this crease that was already there. So now we've got 2 really long pieces of fabric, and we're going to sew them together on the short end. So I'm going to do a mock French stitch so that it looks a little bit nicer. So it's kind of hard to tell with this type of fabric since it's just gray, but you're going to start by putting the 2 wrong sides together. Normally with sewing we do right sides together, but this time we're going to do wrong sides together. So I sewed this seam with the wrong sides together, and I'm going to cut as close to the seam as possible. So now we're going to flip this around and sew the right sides together. I'm going to use my zipper foot to get the seam to be really close to where that frayed edge is. There you have this nice mock French stitch on the inside, and the outside is just a seam, and that marks the center for you, which is important for when you're tying it. So you've just got this long stretchy wrap. We don't have a baby here yet to demonstrate for you today, so in the description I linked to some videos about how to tie it, and that's it. I hope you enjoy.